In this short guide, I will teach you step by step how to use Veo 3.1 for absolutely for free with no watermark or any other restrictions. Just watch this short video to the end to grasp the entire idea. First, if you aren't in the United States, make sure you set your VPN into United States. Then log into Google Gemini using the following link. I will leave it in the details section of this video for you. This is the business version of Gemini. Now, enter your Gmail address. It is strongly suggested that you use a temporary email address, which you can get one from online temporary email generators such as this one. After successful login, skip the intro window and on the main window select Generate Video from here. Let's type a simple prompt for test. Then press Enter. Sometimes the process is stuck due to overloaded usage by the people. Just click on Regenerate button one or few times, or retry after a couple of minutes. As you may know, Veo is very popular model and users around the world are heavily using it. After less than a minute you might receive your video. As you can see, it is watermark free, but let's download it to make sure it is really with no watermark. Watch now, it is completely free with no watermark. Actually, you can use Nano Banana Pro as well from here, but when I tried it, the server was very busy, so try it yourself and see if you can get anything out of it, but I can't guarantee because I didn't manage to generate anything after several tries. Now, the generation of both videos and image are not limitless. If you hit the limit, just create another temporary account and repeat the same process. That's it for this video. Give it a like if it was useful. Write any questions and feedback down in the details section so we can discuss together. Then subscribe to not miss similar content, then watch the next AI related video that will appear in front of you soon. See you over there.